Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you step by step how to open an account on the Toobit exchange through the TradingFinder website. We open the review related to the crypto exchange, and after selecting Toobit, we click on the Go to Website option and enter the page for the Toobit exchange site. From the Sign Up section, we go to the account registration page, and after carefully filling out all the required fields in the form, please, if you have a referral code, simply enter it in this section. If not, you can get the referral code from our support team. Click on this option, which indicates that you have accepted all the terms and conditions of the Toobit exchange. In the second section, it asks if you would like to receive promotional emails and news updates from Toobit. If so, activate this option. And finally, select the Create Account option. Activate the I'm not a robot option. And as you can see, a page opens up informing us that a code has been sent to your registered email address for email verification. Open the inbox of your registered email address, and as you can see, carefully copy the verification code from this section and paste it here. Your account has been successfully created on the Toobit exchange website, and your email address has been accepted by the broker. We are now on the main dashboard of the Toobit exchange, and in upcoming videos we will walk you through the process of uploading documents and completing identity verification on this exchange step by step. Wishing you success and profitable trades.